So I've ordered some new makeup and I just came back from work and I'm super tired, but I just couldn't wait to unbox my P Louise wardrobe. So let's unpack it. This is my probably first unpacking. This is nice. Let's just move it back. Wow. Wow. So this is the packaging. So pretty. I've actually ordered so many stuff and ordered some brushes. They packed it so well. That's why it took so long. I was like, why they're not sending it? Why is it taking so long? It should take like 3 to 5 days, but it took over a week. Now I get it why. It's too pretty. I don't want to open it. Oh, let's open it. Oh gosh. Ta-da. I don't know why I always do that, but let me unbox my P Louise. So cute. Oh, this is cute. So this I got for free. It's cute. I've ordered these brushes. It's about 10 minutes, not that I have much, but these are the brushes and I really hope they're good. Oh, this is all the stuff. Look at it. Let's unbox the new eyeshadow. Look at this glitter. You see it? Like, OMG. So pretty. But I really hope the palette is in a really good palette. Oh, it is actually. Take this off. Oh, so pretty. The bridal series. I'm gonna try if this is gonna fall or something. I was gonna order some spare glitters or like shimmers, but I don't think I'm gonna do that because this has everything. Okay, let's move. I'm gonna keep this one because when I move house I actually need it. I've ordered these brushes and then I've ordered more brushes. I've ordered actually quite a few blushes because they were on sale. They're like £2 and I was like, I'm not gonna miss this sale. So I've ordered the color Legally Pink, Cookie Cup. I think Legally Pink is definitely gonna be my favorite blush. And I've ordered 2 new base. I still have them, but I feel like they might be expired. I got it done like 4 years ago, so they might expired already. More blushes. I got the color Softly Sobered, Ballet Slipper, Blossom Blaze, Winter Rose, and oh my god, Lovely Latte. I didn't realize I ordered so much. Gingerbread glaze. This is actually a bronzer that I ordered. This brush, look at the packaging. Look at the packaging. Isn't it cute? Like, wow. Let's have a look. Let me take this off. I'm gonna cry if I break it. What the hell? How do you open it? And my packaging. Oh my god, there's like a sticker in there. So I've always wanted to paint people's face, but even though I'm a professional makeup artist, but I've never done people's face. Like I haven't done professional clients, but I've been only doing like family and friends. don't really take pictures, so I don't have a picture. I don't have any pictures of my work. So I've decided to do some models. So yeah, if you're interested, if you live around Northeast England, DM me on Instagram. OMG. Oh my god. Wait, I'm actually looking for... This is the brush I think I've ordered the whole packaging for this brush. I currently can't find my Morphe one, but I need to look. I need to find out where I put that one. Ooh. Oh my god, that's so soft. I want to unpack. I've ordered so many brushes. Guys, I know my base is probably flawless, but I want even flawless base. So I'm gonna get all the brushes I can get just to get like a flawless finish base. Like I'm still working on it.